Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Xiaomi Smart Band 8, also known as the Xiaomi Mi Band 8. And this time we are going to check on the different watch faces available for the fitness tracker. Okay, so we are going to check on the preloaded watch faces as well as the additional watch faces here in the support app. Okay, so first let's check on the watch faces here in this fitness tracker. So if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. Okay, so we have here different watch faces. Okay, just long press, then you can cycle from the different watch faces. How many watch faces do we have? Okay, let's check. Starting this one: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At least 7 watch faces is available, or dial face or dials is available on our Mi Fitness tracker. Okay, so let's try to change. I like this one. Okay, tap on to change the watch face. Okay, you can add additional watch face or download additional watch face with a Mi Fitness application. Okay, so here you can go to the manage band display. Okay, tap on this section and you can see we have an online and your default watch faces. So these are the preloaded watch faces: racetrack, vintage, touch of rhythm, between breath, simplicity, color dynamics, and vibrant digits. So on our online, okay, so here it is categorized into several category. We have popular, editor speak, simple, formal, and so here the categories you can see it here. Okay, so let's see, we have mechanical here. I do hope that most of these are free, so let's try. We also have a watch face for the necklace mode. Okay, and we have the news section here. I like this pearl scene here. Pearl scene. Let's go and pick. Let's go for the mechanical. Okay, let's look for a watch face with a lot of details. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, so if you want to download, just tap on it, and here to use always on display on your wearable device, go to settings. So this is the always on display of the watch face, and this is the normal watch face. Okay, so 48 MB, 0.48 MB. Tap on apply. It is now installing the update. Let's see. So it's installing update. So let's wait. Okay, 1% for, I think it will be fast. Okay, so we are reaching 50% now, more than, and I think we are done. Okay, so we have the beautiful watch face here. Nice. Seems like it's a 3D watch face here for the steampunk. Okay, let's adjust the screen. Okay, let's adjust the brightness so you can see. Okay, where's that brightness? Display. So auto. Oh, it's in automatic. Okay, as you can see here, beautiful watch face. I like it. Okay, very high quality watch face. Okay, let's adjust. Where can I adjust the time here? Okay, auto lock, 1 minute. Okay. Okay. See, it's a beautiful looking watch face here. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, is it added in our section of my band display? Yes, it is here. Can we delete other watch face here? Nope. Okay, you can delete. That's good. Okay, deleted successfully. So we have at least 7. So we can add additional watch faces here. Okay, let's look. Editor speak. Let's see if what they recommend is good or not. This is nice. It's a unique looking watch face here. Oh, I guess I will go for this one. Lightning strike. Okay, tap on this. It's a bit heavy as 1.21 MB, as you can see here. Apply, and let's see. It's now installing the update. Okay, we are on our 94%, 95. We're almost done, and that's it. Nice. I like it. We have here the step tracking in the bottom part, and we have the battery, the date, and the time. Okay, let's see, pretty unique watch face or dial. Okay, then okay, let's go to the simple. Okay, so I like this one also, the radio, very unique. I guess I'm going to add it to my collection. And gone back, band display. Where's the custom? Let's see. We have a custom watch face. Okay, we have it here. Okay, let's tap on the custom watch face, and let's pick here. Photo display. What layout do we like? I guess let's pick this one. Photo display 5. The time and date is on the bottom part. Photo display, we have it here. Okay, we have the custom color. So it supports several images here, slideshow, as you can see. So tap on it. Okay, gallery. So let's pick any. Okay, continue. Let's add another one. Gallery. Continue. Then add another one. Gallery. Continue. And we have at least 3 background here. Okay, so then next, so this is the output here, and I guess apply. Let's wait. So we have our default here. Let's see. So we still have to wait again. It may take some time for this one, as we have at least 3 images. Okay, let's wait. As you can see here, it's beginning to update our fitness tracker. So it is a slideshow of different images, I think, and applied successfully. Okay, going back. So let's see if this one will change. Okay, without any interaction. Oh no, I think this is it. Maybe we have to tap. Okay, tap on the watch face, then it will change to different custom watch faces. it's a pretty cool feature for the fitness tracker. And here, as you can see, we have at least 9 band displays. Okay, so we have here the different watch faces for our Xiaomi Mi Band 8. Okay, so I guess that's the feature for the watch faces or band display. Okay, nothing else. I think custom, okay, or custom watch faces with the gallery option, and we have different categories here. Okay, speak, simple, formal. Okay, watch faces. We also have the popular watch faces. Okay, as you can see here, beautiful looking band display or watch faces available for your smart fitness tracker. These are all free. Okay, so that's it. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video tutorial, okay, the video review for the Mi Band 8, okay, just drop a comment below. Bye.